Your home is now a wealth building tool. Here's how to use it intentionally. You bought a home. Most people stop there, but the smart homeowner understands that a home isn't just a place to live, it's the foundation of long-term wealth. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to build on that foundation. The wealth gap between homeowners and renters in America is staggering. The average homeowner has 40 times the net worth of the average renter. 40 times. A big part of that is equity. Let me show you how it works. What is equity? Equity is the difference between your home's value and what you owe on it. If your home is worth $300,000 and you owe $250,000, you have $50,000 in equity. Equity grows in two ways. Way one, appreciation, the market value of your home goes up. In San Antonio, home values have historically appreciated 5% to 8% per year on average. On a $250,000 home, 6% appreciation is $15,000 in wealth added in year one, without doing anything. Way two, principal paydown. Every payment you make reduces your loan balance. In the early years of a mortgage, most of your payment is interest. But over time, more goes to principal, and your equity builds faster. How to accelerate equity building. Strategy 1. Make one extra mortgage payment per year. On a 30-year mortgage, this can shave 5 to 7 years off the loan and save tens of thousands in interest. Even $50 extra per month toward principal makes a significant difference over time. Strategy 2. Strategic improvements. Not all renovations add value equally. In San Antonio, kitchen and bathroom updates, added garage space, and curb appeal improvements tend to yield the best returns. Strategy 3. HELOC. Home equity line of credit. Once you have significant equity, you can borrow against it at rates lower than those of credit cards. Use it to fund improvements, consolidate debt, or invest in another property. Use it wisely, it's secured by your home. Strategy 4. Refinancing. When rates drop significantly below what you borrowed at, refinancing can lower your payment and free up cash flow to accelerate other financial goals. I have a whole video on this. Don't miss it. Texas has no state income tax, which means more of your earnings stay with you to build wealth. Combined with strong appreciation, the homestead exemption, and access to equity tools, owning in Texas is one of the most powerful wealth-building moves a family can make. I believe that deeply. It's why I do this work. If someone you know is still renting and building wealth for someone else, share this video with them and send them to firsthometexas.com. Their journey to home ownership starts with one conversation. I'm Frank. Let's go.